Nothing like a good homemade breakfast on a rainy day.
Yep.
Made by Mommy.
But we are happy and stylish. And I got eggs.
Well, since it's raining so much today, probably not going to be a long video. Probably not going to do very much. Emily and Rhett are probably going to do school in a little bit. And me and Archie are probably going to run to the store. Ollie's going to scream in here until he falls asleep for his nap.
Yeah.
And, yeah. It is rainy here in Petoskey, but I am kind of glad that it's raining today and not tomorrow. We actually, I don't know if I talked about this at all. We extended one night here in Petoskey. Instead of traveling today, we extended an additional day the other day. So now we are traveling tomorrow. And tomorrow we head to a Harvest Host here in Michigan. And then from there we head to another Harvest Host in Ohio. And then from there we're going to Niagara. Just finished up at Meijer and got everything we needed. Coffee, paper towels, paper plates, and yeah, all the essentials. Also got some cash back because we are Harvest Hosting for the next couple nights after tonight. You know, never know if sometimes those Harvest Hosts don't take, you know, credit card or anything like that. So I like to have cash to make sure that we can still contribute. We just got back to the campground after going to the grocery, and Emily, not only did she teach Rhett his school stuff today, but she also somehow managed to have time to make 2 loaves of sourdough sandwich bread. So, super mom over here. Kids are outside playing with their friends that we met. They're our neighbors over here. And yeah, it's finally stopped raining, and I think we may have a break in the rain for most of the afternoon, but fingers crossed, so we'll see.
Different thicknesses.
Since tomorrow's a travel day and we're gonna go stay at a Harvest Host and probably use our generator, I'm gonna move some things in the storage bay to make it a little more accessible for that travel.